Okay, so editor font family. I mean, this is pretty straightforward. It controls the font family, and this is the or these are the default font families for VS Code. And if you don't have Menlo, it's going to go to Monaco. If you don't have Monaco, it's going to go to Courier New. And if it doesn't have Courier New, it's going to go to the first monospace font that it finds in your system. Now, um, the font that I want to use is a font that comes with the Cobalt 2 theme. It's a theme made by Westboss. It's a really cool theme, and I really like this font. But this font is cursive, and it costs $200. So only get it if you really want it. The problem with this font though is that it has no ligatures, but we can actually solve that and add ligatures to it, and we're going to see that how that works in the next setting, editor font ligatures. But let's just add operator mono, and this is the font we'll be using. Now, there's a lot of settings that are still missing here, like the font size and the colors and the font weight and all font weight and all that stuff. But this is the font that I recommend, and it's the font that I like the most. It's really a pleasure to code using this font. So if you can buy it, go ahead.